Okay, John, you can see the snow coming down. Oh, check out the birdhouse. Or not birdhouse, but the bird feeder. See it? It's all tipped over with snow and ice. See all that snow? Maggie, stay. And I'm going to walk through the house and take you to the front so you can see the front. I'll try not to move you too fast. And we'll go to the front door. Open the front door. And then you can see out front. See that? See, this is what you and your dad prayed for. Shame on you. See all that snow? Look at all that. And you can still see the bottom of your snowman. You got to start for another one. Look at all the snow on those trees over there. See all that, John? That's your fault. It's yours and your dad's for praying for snow. Came a day late, didn't it? Should have came yesterday or Saturday. See those poor trees? They're just covered with snow. We'll have to send this to your grandma and grandpa too. March 31st in Minnesota. That little tree over there is just like my favorite little tree. Little bitty tree. Anyway, now you can see how much snow we've gotten. And it's not supposed to stop until tonight. After midnight or 6 o'clock tomorrow morning or something like that. I don't know. It's supposed to get 6 to 10 inches, I guess. Wish you were here, bud. Jan and Bill, I bet you're glad you're not here. Bye-bye.